Good morning, Fraser here with Elegant Auto Sales. Today I'm going to be doing a walk around of this 2002 Ford F-350 Super Duty 7.3 liter long box. We're going to do the outside, we'll do the inside condition and features. I'll pop the hood, let's take a look at the engine. We'll turn it over, let you see the dash and all the lights. Then we'll go back to the engine so you can hear how it sounds. But first I'm just going to get outside condition, whatever features there may be. Then we'll get to the inside here in just a moment. But as you can see, I'm getting both angles for you as well, so you can see condition for yourself. Big reason why we love doing these videos. Saves a bunch of time on both sides, and you have a great idea of what you're coming in to see. But as you can see, it has the tow mirrors, the running boards, the rear tinted windows, rear slider, aftermarket wheels and tires. Of course, it is a long bed. We have the tow pack. Looks like we have a rubber bed mat. There are rubber floor mats all the way around, but we'll get to that here in just a moment. Again, just getting these angles for you. I'll get down here on tire size here in just a moment as well. This thing's in great condition for a 2002. Really is. I'm sure if you know anything about 7.3 liters, they run forever. Let's get down here on tire size. Hopefully you can read that. Look like brand new tires, if not new. Sorry, getting over a cold, guys. Fog lights. All right, let's get to the inside condition and features. Now, power windows, power locks. There are dual power seats, just so you know. So I'm trying to block that glare for you the best I can. No rips, tears, or stains in these seats. They're in fantastic condition. Third seat in the front row, so if you need a seat 6, you're able. Let's get the passenger seat here. Get the back seat as well. Again, rear slider, fold down armrest. Like I said, those rubber floor mats. Let's try to block that glare. And then those are for the front to cover the hubs. To match the back, as you can see. All right, let's get some features up front here. Try to block that glare. Steering wheel controls there. Stock stereo. 4-wheel drive, factory or aftermarket tow assist. All right, let's take a look underneath the hood before we turn it over. That glare's really killing me this morning, guys. Sorry about that. Hopefully we can navigate this with one out. There we go. All right, now I do say this in my videos all the time. I am far from mechanically inclined, but I like to get this in here the best I can for you. Chances are, if you're looking at some other 7.3s, you have an idea of what you're looking for. Now, all of our vehicles, they do get plugged in, diagnosed, safety inspected, all of those things, so keep that in mind. You know, and I would encourage anybody to check out our Better Business Bureau or Google reviews. We hold an A+ with Better Business. Well, our Google reviews speak for themselves. We really do take care of our product and our client, and that includes after the sale, and that's really huge for us. That's why I love working here, frankly. But there's the mileage there. As you can see, no check engine lights, nothing like that. Here, let's find a station here. Stereo works great. The heat's blowing hot. The AC works. This thing's a beautiful truck. Here, I'll turn on the headlights here for you as well. Well, there she is, burning along beautifully. Hopefully this helps answer some questions. If there's anything I may have missed, or you'd like me to come out and take photos, shoot another video walk around, whatever I can do to help, I am happy to do it. Just give us a call or a text.